To get premium trading and investing tips, support on Patreon. How's it going, everybody, and welcome to another Market Watch video. Today was an amazing stream. Thank you so much for coming in such a large number. Every day from Monday to Friday, 5:30 p.m. UK time, guys, we stream, we look at your questions, we look at the market, we look at the patterns, and we try and make those coins. This far, we have been very successful, and today EA has released Mukhtar. I think he's from MLS. I'm not sure. Someone in my stream says he's from MLS or something, but basically, this is a new silver objective that you guys can do, and you actually like it has the same requirements, I mean the same objectives as the last silver objective that was on. So basically that's new from the objective side. And also we just got, I'm sorry about clicking the foot jumps, but we just got a new SBC. We were predicting more SBCs because this morning FootWatch listed a full list of SBCs in the code, like an 81 plus rated UCL upgrade pack, which didn't come. But it didn't come yet. We're gonna talk about it later. It is very important, but right now we got the small rare gold players pack, and basically it's quite easy to complete this. Like the requirements aren't as much, but yeah, if you're looking to do it, maybe getting a blue card in there right now, like those cards are still quite high in value, and you guys can look at them to sell them or make profit from them. Or if you're still sniping, just remember, as more supply kicks in, even with tomorrow, Thursday coming onto the market, the rival rewards and all of that, these lower end cards will keep going lower as they go. Now, if we go and check, the new team of the week is out. A lot of you guys are asking when to buy specific cards that you're interested in, when to invest in some of the cards. Of course, I do think investing in these cards will work, but I also think that the buy time will be either Tuesday evening or Wednesday morning. As we've seen in the team of the week 3, the patterns will be quite similar. Why? I do think it's because of the marquee matchup supply from the Champions League side. The Champions League marquee matchups, when they drop on Tuesdays, they bring a lot of the supply. Also, this Tuesday, the supply wasn't as hard as it will potentially be on Wednesday, because most people didn't do the marquee matchups. They were too freaking expensive in price, just because the UCL cards right now are going close to the 10k value, and most people just stayed off. Like myself, I will wait till Monday when the squad battle rewards come. I do predict that's going to be the low point when I will be able to obtain these cards and actually complete the marquee matchups. And basically, since they should be getting more accessible next Tuesday, that's when we expect the marquee matchups to be, not the marquee matchups, but the team of the weeks to be at their cheapest value. As you guys can see, this is also a great opportunity for you guys to flip on Monday with the squad battle rewards when there's more supply. Buy these low-end non-rare UCL marquee matchups cards or rare UCL marquee matchups cards and sell them on Tuesday with the new potential SBC drop-in. And even on Wednesday, we might expect another UEFA marquee matchups drop-in. But either way, this side, FIFA Ultimate Team, has nailed most of the predictions for the FIFA calendar this year. So it's pretty reliable to look at these ones. I'm gonna also link it in the description if you guys want to look at it yourself, look at the patterns and look at what we could expect. But basically, just because of this, just because of the supply, I do predict that it will be very good to buy on Monday the marquee matchups cards, sell them on Tuesday, and then on Tuesday evening or Wednesday morning, go in and buy the team of the week 4 cards that you want to invest in. I do believe everybody like Rashford, Werner, Muller, Delaney, Osimhen, every single one here should be very cheap, and you guys can invest in anyone. Also remember, keep storing every discard fodder team of the week card that you find on the market. Store just one in your club and let them there until EA releases at the end of the November the guaranteed icon SBC. So basically when that comes out, so the not the guaranteed icon SBC, but the icon SBCs as we knew them from FIFA 19, there should be backup and they should be bringing up these cards in value a lot. Also, of course, I do predict on Friday that we get the Scream promo. Most of the fodder could already rise if they bring a good SBC, but the case was that the more in-demand SBC usually drop towards the end of the promo, so we're not expecting anything huge this weekend, but potentially into the next weekend we are expecting something. The next thing is that you guys asked me a lot about is the current team of the week that was out and the past team of the weeks. Now, the past team of the weeks should be very good flips into tomorrow. So if you don't know what to buy right now, if you buy some specific cards that are quite low in value with good camp styles already applied to them, let's say you buy a Fati with 50k, 15k with a hunter card applied on him, I do predict you can sell that one to lazy buyers at 19k into tomorrow. Most of these cards should be going up in value as we go through into the supply and also the coin influx on the market that should be coming tomorrow with the rewards. Actually, the supply won't affect these cards. As you guys know, they're not supplied anymore, so basically the coins should bring them up higher in value. Hernandez is a good example as well. I feel like you can make a cheeky 10k profit on that one. Sanchez as well, potentially, if you buy him with a hunter or a shadow, whatever it goes, it should be good, and you can be selling those to lazy buyers. Same to Orsic if you can find him with a hunter for a lower value right now. I think you can flip this card, chill with at 14k with a shadow as well, could work. Like, always remember to diversify and to not just throw in all the coins at one card, but pick a few of these. Think, okay, this card might be used over the weekend league by someone. Someone might like him and fit him in their teams, so buy it with a shadow or a hunter if it's a forward-minded card, and try and sell into lazy buyers over the weekend. Now, another thing that I maybe forgot to mention about the team of the week for right now when we were talking about Werner is that if his wants to watch, for example, gets injured, it is very risky to hold the team of the week one, because the team of the week one can go down in value as soon as the wants to watch gets panic sold. If a card gets injured, for example, Werner has a huge injury, he's out for 2 months, the wants to watch will just cut down in value, and the team of the week will also be following those patterns. Now, investment wise, if you want to buy Werner or the wants to watch or the team of the week one, I would rather go in the wants to watch, just if he will have more better games coming up. I do think he will be dropping from here, as there was mostly mad demand on him in the past week, and also like most people hyped him up a lot. I do think into the next weekend he can drop slightly, and then before Thursday you can basically pull the trigger either on the wants to watch or the team of the week. However, the wants to watch could really be slightly lower right after the weekend league game if he does not have a good game, and of course he's not going to get a back-to-back inform. EA never did that, so if he has a good game, he's also not going to get another inform next week, but probably the community will keep him up in value just because the hype, and potentially they don't know that he can't get another inform into the next week. So we were also looking about the wants to watch cards, guys. The wants to watches right now are very good looks because they are not resupplied. We were talking in the past videos how we are thinking that EA might resupply the team, the wants to watch team 1 and the wants to watch team 2 on Wednesday, when the wants to watch team 2 actually goes out of packs. Now this team went out of packs right now. I went in, I need to refresh if there's any price refreshments. Sana is already 250k. I went in at 230 right after the announcement that the supply has stopped. He will play apparently as soon as he's back from his injury. And also, like, if you were on stream, I told you guys, like, Havertz 285 could be a good value if he has a good game into the weekend, or if you want to sell him before the game over the weekend, you can make good profits. So these were very good looks right now, some of them going up. Florenzi, of course, got into the team of the week. It's a pattern, in my opinion, that will go down, same as to Werner and potentially Awesome Hand. I can see these ones to watches drop into after the next weekend game. So definitely not looking at these sort of cards right now that already got a team of the week card, but the ones that could potentially perform well or anything like that, I feel like tomorrow they will rise a bit more and into the weekend as well, because they're not supplied anymore, and actually the coin influx comes onto the market. And into the weekend, if they perform well, people will gamble. They saw that these ones to watches were real money makers if they play well, and I do think a lot of people will try, pull the trigger, gamble on them, and see how they do. Again, guys, I do think tomorrow the most meta cards like Van Dijk, Neymar, Ronaldo, Messi can rebound, can start going finally up, as they have been hit in value a lot. I know a lot of people predicting because of the Scream promo that they could be capped down, but I do think if the Scream promo is not as good, or if it doesn't affect much some specific cards, it shouldn't bring them more lower in value than they are already. The mid cards, like a lot of you have been asking about, Pogba, Martial, all of these cards that are like middle valued, I don't know, I'm not sure about them, guys. What I would do if I would hold them, I would sell them. I would invest in cards that I know that will bring me value, and while I'll invest in the cards that I know that will bring me value, or build a team that I know that can have some investment potential for the long run, I would keep that, and I would stick to that rather than hold cards that can potentially keep dropping in value as we go. So this is something to think about if you want to keep your coins safe into the Black Friday period, when it's coming to the end of November, when usually the most most of the cards on the market should be dropping at that time, to keep your coins safe and to manage your coins specifically. Guys, if you want more of these specific explanations, make sure to join my streams Monday to Friday, 5:30 p.m. UK time, guys. We're looking at these patterns. If you have specific questions, I'm going through them. I'm trying to help you as much as I can. A lot of you are already making some good coins over this, and for the long run, it will also help you understand the market. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you boys next time. Cheers.